Now the next scan, we'll be using the script scan, which is using the NSE database. Now what is NSE database? NSE database is inbuilt database of that malwares, exploits, external, fuzzle, intrusive, safe version, VULN, auth, broadcast, default, discovery, and DOS. All these categories are being there in that particular database, and these categories are basically used by dash script scanning. Now, why this database is using all the commands which are used? This is basically all the vulnerabilities are being mapped with that particular scan. So that is why NAC database is there, and this scan is giving us the output to map the scripts and the vulnerabilities with that particular website. So I am going to type nmap dash script vuln scanme.nmap.org. Now this scan might take little bit time, so what I will do is I will use one more command with it. I will say I want dash v, that is verbose mode, that is in detailed mode of this particular scan, so that whenever it is scanning it will be giving us what exactly it is scanning from the backend. We can use verbose scan with any of the scans so that we can get details about what is being scanned from the backend. So we can see that all the NSE scripts are being loaded, that is 105 scripts are being used for scanning. Then we can see that initiating NSE at this particular time, and definitely if I just press spacebar I will be getting again how much time is required or remaining for that particular scan to get completed. And here you go, see we have got lot of vulnerabilities. One of it which we can see here right now is broadcast Avahi toss attack, and still the ports are being discovered and every single port is being mapped with that particular vulnerability. Now here we can see that one of the CVE we have got it, that is CVE 2011-1002. That means we have got one of the common vulnerability exposure. Now what is this common vulnerability exposure is? It is a unique identification of that vulnerability, and it is being published by the name of the year, that is 2011. So if I just press CVE 2011-1002 and I will be scrolling down and seeing whether I am getting a GitHub link or else I will be getting a exploit DB link. So I'll check once more exploit DB whether it is there, because only these two websites are valid. Others might give you only some theoretical work, but the main part which is being used for scanning is basically been mapped by exploit DB, where you will see the actual exploit code. So here we can see this is the actual exploit and the code for it is this. See, we can download the code, we can see the code, and we can use it for our later exploitation. So this is how Nmap scan script scan is being used. Thank you.